morning, guys. This morning I'm going to show you how to make a pimento and cheese. I've made it all my life. When I first got married, it was probably the only thing I knew how to cook, honestly. But it has sustained my family through everything we've been through. We always had a fallback of pimento and cheese sandwiches. Now, I grate my own cheese. You don't have to, but I do mine. I grate it myself. I add mayonnaise to it, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn you down while I make mine this morning and just show you what a wonderful thing it is to do and how simple it is to do. And, you know, gas is so high right now. Maybe one night for dinner you can have pimento and cheese sandwiches, or it's great for lunches. I'm just telling you, my husband and I, now that we're retired, we're going to have it for lunch today. I mean, we have it a lot of the times we have pimento and cheese. My grandmother made it, Lorraine, she made it. It sustained her family, so I figured it could mine too. So I hope it will yours. If you're in a pinch, this is really a very good way to feed a lot of people. Now, we're going to start. I have already started grating my cheese. I didn't want you to sit in there and watch me grate cheese for that length of time. So I've already got that done. I didn't want to keep you on the camera for that. But I'm going to turn you down right now, and we're going to do our pimento and cheese. And guys, I hope you enjoyed it as much as we do. Let's go over here and get started. Guys, what I have done, as you can see right here in the bowl, I have shredded or grated on my grater 1.5 cups of cheese. That's enough, you know, to put in my fridge in a little box for Alan and I to grab a sandwich whenever we're just getting really hungry. Now, the next thing I'm going to add is a jar of diced pimentos. Just a jar of diced pimentos. This is a Kroger brand diced pimentos. It is a 4-ounce jar. I think it was $1.67. What I do next, I just pour this in like that. Try to get all the pimentos out. The next thing I'll be adding, this is optional, if you want to add this or not. You don't have to, but I always have added it to mine, is a tablespoon of white sugar. Now, you do not have to add this, but I always have. That's optional. The next thing I add, I have a mayonnaise from Great Value, Walmart, that is a light mayonnaise. That's what I use. I don't like other mayonnaises. A lot of people love Hellmann's. You could use that. Any kind of mayonnaise you want that you use, that you've got on hand. 1, 2, and guys, I usually don't measure, so this is a feat for me to measure when I make my pimento and cheese. I bet I've made it 1,000 times. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to start mixing up. Just mix it, blend it, fold it. Just can't hurt it. You're not going to ask me, what kind of cheese am I using? Well, I'm going to be honest with you. Our favorite cheese for pimento and cheese is Velveeta. Yeah, I know. I know what you're going to say. But I get that low-fat pimento and cheese. And you can use cheddar. A block of sharp cheddar makes great pimento and cheese. Now, you see how it's just all coming together right here in this bowl. It just comes together so nice. It took me about 2 minutes to grate my cheese on my grater. You don't have to. You can buy it already shredded if you're in a hurry. I don't like to use shredded cheese. You know, it has a lot of chemicals on it. All right, we're done with it. I don't add anything else to it. If I didn't have enough mayonnaise, I'd put a little more, but I've got plenty of mayonnaise, so You know, instead of wasting this mayonnaise right here, I'm going to put it on this piece of bread. And I'm going to dip in here. Oh, you know, the cooks are always supposed to take a taste of their pimento and cheese. So that's what I'm going to do. You really are supposed to taste all your food before you serve it to anyone. So guys, please do that. Now let me take a bite, just a bite of this pimento and cheese sandwich. Let me turn you up here where I can see you. All right, let's take a bite of this pimento and cheese sandwich. I mean, let's just try it. Guys, I'm telling you. Oh, I'm sweating. I'm so hot. Not from making the pimento and cheese, but I'm hot this morning. This is wonderful. Now, the person that taught me how to make this, she didn't really teach me. I just watched her one day when she was making it. Was my grandmother, Lorraine. I'm telling you, this has been such a godsend to our family to have this ability to throw together pimento and cheese. And it is delicious. This is a delicious thing to make. So, I would encourage you to make you some pimento and cheese. Yeah, I know you can buy it in a store. They sell it every day. Make you some pimento and cheese. Now, I'm going to put this in a smaller bowl since I've got it all mixed up. And then, I'm going to put some saran wrap over it. And when my husband comes in from mowing the yard today, he's going to go right in here. And he's going to get a pimento and cheese sandwich, I can guarantee you. And a big glass of iced tea. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of pimento and cheese. It's so simple to do. Don't buy it in the store. You don't know how long it's been in that store. Just make you some. It's quick, it's easy, it's fast, it's delicious, it's cheap. If you make it yourself, everybody loves it. And my husband even, I'll tell you what he does. He puts the pimento and cheese down, and then he puts a piece of bologna on top of that on his sandwich. Guys, I love you. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for coming by. I hope you enjoyed the video, the part of my yard. Things are just now coming up. You know, it's not fully done yet. So, and he's mowing it today because it's so grassy out there. All right, guys, I love y'all. Bye-bye. Alan, what are you eating? What you got?
My lunch. It's pimento and cheese and bologna.
Pimento and cheese and bologna.
Yep.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Makes a great sandwich.
Have you finished mowing the yard?
Finished mowing the yard.
Well, say hey to everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Do you like that pimento and cheese?
It's really good.
How long do you think we've been eating it? Our whole married life?
Even before.
Even before.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe. Hey, guys. I just want to come on and tell you, surgery's over. I'm doing pretty well. I thought I had a blood clot in my leg. It was hurting extremely bad in the back of my calf. My paperwork said if you were having pain in your calf to call your doctor, which I did. He sent me to the emergency room to get a ultrasound done of my leg. And when I got there, my daughter took me, I went. And when I got there, I had a syncope spell and went out. They had to take me to the emergency room and do a full workup on me because I was unconscious and came back around. And you know how it is. So they checked me for my heart and my lungs and everything. Everything came out great. I was just exhausted and just fainted, I guess. No blood clot in the leg, praise God. So that's how the course is going. The pain medicine was not working. I was in a great deal of pain. So they switched my pain medicine. And now I'm too groggy, so I've had to cut that in half. sometimes you just have to work into a happy medium where, you know, if your pain medicine's not working, you switch it. And if you get too much, you cut it back. So that's what we're doing today. I've had so many lovely family members bringing me some delicious food. Of course, my appetite is gone, but I tasted it and it's delicious. Everybody's been so precious to me during this time. And I just wish that if you like the pimento cheese, you would try it. And I love y'all so much. And I'm going to keep you informed of what is going on with my total knee replacement. It's called an arthroscopy. And so that's what I've had done. And I'm going to keep you informed about it, guys. Love y'all. Bye-bye.